In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can create a coloring book, a kid's book, okay, for free, okay, using a free tool. And you can start selling that book on top platform and start earning thousands of dollars every single month. As you can see on this website, check these out. These are all coloring books being sold and the demand is huge. Check this out. 1.2 thousand units, okay? If you keep scrolling down, you can see 1,000 units. You can see, if you scroll down more, you're going to see 4.1 thousand units, okay? So these books have a lot of demand. Check this out. This book was sold over 10,000 times, okay? So I'm going to show you step by step how to create these coloring books for free, absolutely free of charge, and start selling it. Now, this is just one platform. You could also do it on Amazon. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time and you are interested and serious in learning how to make real money online and create a successful internet business from scratch, then subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Give me a comment. Let me know if you have any kind of questions. Give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. And also, don't forget to hit the share button and share this video with the people you care, because this one video can help someone become creative and start making money online. Okay, so let's dive into this video and let me show you how you can use this powerful free tool to create these type of coloring books and start selling it on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, etc., and make thousands of dollars every single month. So let's get into this. Okay, so I'm going to go to a website called the Google AI Studio. Okay, now for this, you need to log into your Gmail account. This is very, very important. If you haven't logged into your account, make sure you log into your Gmail account first. Then you just want to go to Google AI Studio. And Google has launched a brand new tool that has destroyed all the alternatives. Okay, it's a brand new tool that allows you to create images, create stunning books, stunning PDFs, okay? And I'm going to show you step by step how it's all done in this video, okay? So the stunning tool that we're talking about is called Nano Banana. That's right, Nano Banana is taking the internet by storm and it's gone viral. Obviously it's going to go viral because it's owned by the big daddy Google. Okay, when Google launches something, obviously overnight it's going to get millions and millions and millions of downloads and installs, etc. All right, but because it's a new released software and a tool that was just recently launched, it's still in the beta testers, which means you have the chance to take advantage of this tool, start utilizing it to create images, books, whatever you want to do before they start to charge and put a price on this tool. Okay, so let me just click on this, okay, and we are going to give this a prompt. So let me just write something here. Create a 5-page coloring book about ducks with text and images. Okay, so this is just a simple prompt. Make sure when you watch my videos you become creative, okay, because my video teaches you and gives you all the basic and advanced ideas, but then you have to become creative and start doing it on your own way to start making money online. And when you become creative, you will make a heck of a lot of money. Okay, so I just gave you a quick prompt: create a 5-page coloring book about ducks with text and images. And let's run this and let's see what happens. Okay, now it's doing the very good book for me. Okay, so let's see. Wow, check this out. Check this out, my friend. This is looking good. Okay, let's just do it. While it's doing the job, let me just quick a side note. If you want to make money online, okay, and you are sick and tired with everything out there, you're sick and tired with jumping from product to a product to a product to a product, video after video after video, and you want a reputable business model that's going to pay you 100% profit with a done for you business in a box, then make sure you check out the links in my comment section box below this video. You know where you leave the comments? Down there I have added my links. Okay, I have pinned the link for you to check out and to look into this real business model that is creating thousands of winners. That's right, thousands of winners, and you will get access to this business model with earning 100% profit, learning, full training given, everything, and learn and earn together. So let's get back into our video. Okay, so this has done the job. Saving in Drive makes it easy. Cancel and use temporary chat. Let's just leave that like this. Okay, so you could see here it has went out there and created this beautiful book for me. Check this out. Check this out, my friend. Alright, so I'm just going to click on this image and show you a bigger picture. Do you think this looks good? Do you think that you can have a book just like this and start selling it on a platform just like this, Etsy or Amazon? Okay, let me just go Amazon. Okay, alright, and let me just type in coloring book. Check this out, my friend. Check this out. Okay, look at this. The first book that is being shown down here, coloring book, paperback, 8,220 reviews, not sold units. Okay, if I keep going down, it's showing me. Let's check this one out. 1,119 reviews. You can create a coloring book just like this using this free tool, okay, and start selling it on platforms just like this, and you can make a heck of a lot of money. All right, like I said, the tool is free at the moment because it just launched, but I don't know if it's going to stay free forever. Okay, so you have an advantage. Now this is, I just showed you and created a 5-page book here. Okay, a 5-page book. You could do a 10-page book. You could do a 20-page book. You could do a 30-page book. You could do a 40-page book. You could do a 50-page book. Just like this. You could do not just ducks. You could do this with cats. You could do this with trees. You could do this with adventures. You could do this coloring book related to rainbows, seesaw, beaches, etc. You can become so creative and create 10 plus different versions of coloring books for free and start selling it and have 20 pages, 30 pages, 40 pages, 200 pages. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to go to another website, and the website is Canva. Okay, you want to go to Canva, alright, and you want to start adding all these images. So what you want to do, you want to download these images. Okay, you want to download these images one by one to your computer, and then you're just going to come to Canva and you're going to upload all these images on one place. Okay, if you want to make any kind of edit, you can. Otherwise, you're going to leave it as it is, and then you're just going to download it from Canva, and it's going to become one whole page book for you. Okay, and then you're just going to go and launch it on websites like Etsy, websites like Amazon, and you're going to start selling these books. And this is the type of sales you can expect if your book is ranked on the first page. And how does that happen? Number one, make sure you have optimized keywords. So you want to look at other people's book, what kind of title, what kind of description they are using. That's number one. Number two, you want to make sure that the reviews you are getting is good. You're replying, you're responding to the reviews, okay? And you want to keep it up and try to improve your books, okay? Try to do that all the time and keep on doing it. That's how you're going to start ranking for keywords like coloring books right onto the first page, because that's where the money is and that's where the traffic is, okay? So that's how it is. That's the easiest way to start creating books for free, selling books, and start making thousands of dollars every single month. Now, if you want to learn more ways, make sure you smash that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.